Something feels off.
Yeah, Milo's up to something.
What the? Is that a cart? With capybaras? I'll cut it off from the left. I'll swing around and block it. Keep moving.
Almost there.
Not so fast.
Got it!
Nice work. This isn't over.